Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to easily set up KickChat in OBS Studio, and if you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing and leaving a like. So first things first, have your OBS Studio open, and here in the top left, let's go to Docs, click on Custom Browser Docs, and then here let's just type login, and then here just type kick.com. Click apply. And then a login page for kick.com should pop up. So just log in there, and once you're done, just exit. And then here in the browser docs again, type in chat room for the doc name. And then here we're gonna type in kick.com/your username. So I'll just put that there for now. Right, so in username, just put whatever your username is. So mine is how to library. Then click apply. And this should pop up. So now you can chat using OBS, and just put it there. And as you can see, I already have some test chats here. Alright, and next thing you want to do is go to your browser here and then search for Corard chat. Click on the very first result, Corard.tv, and here all you have to do is just enter your channel name like that, and then here you can configure a lot of options. So I want the messages to fade in 15 seconds. Let's hide commands and hide bots, and then medium size font, and then thin stroke. Then after you're done configuring everything, just click on generate URL, and then click, and then it'll automatically copy it. And then back to OBS Studio, all you have to do is just click the plus on the sources here, click on browser, click on OK, and then here in the URL, just paste the URL we copied earlier, and then click OK. And it should say connecting. And once it's connected there, now let's see if it actually works. Yeah, so as you can see, it's already showing what our chat would be in our actual screen. Now you can resize this just using OBS here if you want, or you can go back to Corard and then click whatever font size you want. And yeah, if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to watch all the upcoming videos, and goodbye.